I am Dragoș, and in this video we are going to take a look to a new AI IDE that it's created by TikTok. Basically, this is a VS Code fork that it's similar with Cursor, and it has AI integrated, and it will help you code faster, chat with Claude and chat GPT for free. So basically you can use it right now when this video is created for free, and in this video we are going to see the details and how you can use it. And this is their website. I am in here, so this is the Trae website, and this here you see that it has the ship faster with this, and you have the details, and this is for macOS. From what I am seeing right now, you have some details in their website, and you can hit download, and you have the community. So I've already installed this on my Mac, and we are going to take a look. So I have found out about this from Theo, and yeah, I thought that it will be a good idea to also create a video, because I am mostly using Astro. I wanted also to check this. I haven't tried it a lot, so we're going to check it together. So thanks to Theo for providing these details. I wasn't aware of this. So basically TikTok right now, it's entering the market for video editors. It has the social media, and right now it has also an AI IDE, and yeah, it has some interesting AI models like DeepSeek that we checked yesterday on a video that I've created. Right now I'm just using Z for this, for editing my website mostly, and checking the details because it's fast and I like it. And also Z, it's offering AI, and like you have $10 a month of free credits with Claude that you can use, and this is how it's looking. So just wanted to make a parallel between the two of these ones. Right now I have this installed and it's looking like this. So if we're going to check it, let me close this. We're going to see it in here, and this is their interface. Let me make this a little smaller. So yeah, this is the interface, and right now I have a project that it's already opened in here, and this is their panel. You see that they are looking quite nice. Yeah, from the video of Theo, looks like this design it's similar with the one with JetBrains. I don't mind, I'm not using JetBrains also, but it's looking nicer. And you see that you have like the standard thing in here in the left, where you have the project, then you have the code, and then you have the AI in this area. So basically you can go in here and you can open the AI like this, and for the AI you have the chat that you can speak with the code directly, and you can add the context like this in here with the code file folder and the workspace. Basically the workspace is the complete one. I haven't even sent the command to this. We are going to send it together. And here you can add an image, and in here you have the options to choose between all of this with Claude 3.5 and chat GPT 4.0. And in here you have the builder. Basically this will help you create something from scratch, and in here you see that you have some quick tips and you can shuffle between them. I think this is like really good because it will help you create, it will help you with some facts. And yeah, let's go to chat, and again in here you can open a new chat, and in here you have the options. Here you have the accounts with the theme and settings, and if you're going to go to the settings, you see that you have the dark, light and dark blue language. You can import from VS Code and Cursor if you want. And in here you have the Trae AI, and you have the AI chat language, and in here you have the workspace that it is indexed. You have some shortcut, you have the account in here, and yeah, these are the settings details for this. And again, you can go and open, for instance, the terminal like this. If you want to do something in the terminal, you have this option in here. This is the terminal. So even though the UI is looking great, you can install also, let's say, the extension. So in here you see that I have installed Astro on Client just to test it. So you can even use Client with this. So if you don't know, Client, it's an extension that can help you also work with AI. It's the most known one. It will have the options to add like free AIs from Google if you want, and you can use it with DeepSeek, use it with Olama, Mistral if you want. So yeah, if you want more things, you can also use this with the client extension. Just go and search it and install it. But in this video, we're just going to test some of the things that this can do. So in here I have the chat thing, and let's go, for instance, and ask it to review the code and tell me some recommendations to make it better. Again, I haven't used it in the past. I'm just using it right now just to have a feeling of how it's working. And the good thing right now is the fact that you can use this for free with Claude. I don't know for how much time this will be, but the good thing is that Claude is very, very powerful, and you can use it for free with this browser. You can even chat with it directly. So let's go and have this. So review the code and tell me how to make it better. So let's see. Right now AI it's thinking. So this is the first thing that I have asked him to do. I haven't asked him to do anything. So in here you see that it has some recommendations, and right now it's still working, and it is going through all the code and it's reviewing everything. Mostly also I see it's going also to the markdown files that I have. I mean, right now this is free and it's okay, but yeah, I don't want to have the code for this. And in here you see that schema optimization it's doing. So you have some things that you can do in here. Preload for critical assets, security enhancements that he's telling us to do. So improvements. So I've asked something very general for him, and I wanted just to see if by scanning all of these things, what he will be able to do. It has some accessibility improvements. So it looks like it found a lot of things that are wrong with this project. Again, I am not like an expert developer. I'm just learning. So that's why. So you see in here that we have some options. Let's go and check this. Let's go and see the SEO improvement, and let's go and see what we can do. So in here what we can do is to go and copy this. We can insert a cursor and add to new file or apply change in his base. Let's go and apply these changes. And right now these changes are applied in here. So you see that you can easily apply all of these things in here. And you see that these are the differences that he added. So it's looking quite nice from my point of view. And again, we can go and accept them with Command Enter or reject them. I will just accept them like that. Again, this is just to test this. And right now what I will do, let me open an file in here. And in here, this is just to display the posts, I think. And I will just ask it to make it better. Okay, not code. Let's see if you can add a file directly. For in Z, you can just tell it to add this directly in there. And in here you have the posts. Okay, how I can make this look better and more modern. Okay, I will just hit enter like this, and right now it's starting and reviewing the things, and you see that it's reviewing all the details. Right now it's building the code for this. So yeah, it looks like it's working quite nice, and it's working free. Again, you can go and add images if you want with this, which is pretty good. And right now he created the code, and again inserted cursor So right now it is inserted. Let me go and see apply. Okay, so basically I think everything is changed. And let's go and see what it's doing. Okay, so right now everything it's done, and let me save this. I mean, this is just to have a feel, and you can use this for free right now, which is quite good. Okay, let me nvm use not nvm npm run dev. Okay, open web view. Let's see in web view in here. I mean, this is just to have some details. Let's see in categories, CMS. I don't see a lot of changes, the differences. Let me open it directly in the browser. I just want to have more details. So in here I have localhost 4321 accept, and in here you see that it added these details and made this look smoother. So yeah, it changed the design. And let's go to pages, and let's go to tags, for instance. Let's go to Astro, and again in here you have some details, and again these are nice touches that were added to the website, because right now if we're going to open the Bitdoze one directly, okay, you will not see these things. So you don't see that nice things that have been added in here. You see that right now it has like a background when you're hovering over this, and it's looking more nice. So it did the good job, and it's done for free. Again, this is like Claude who did it, but again this editor, it's also telling Claude what to do, and it's working with my files. So I am like amazed of what this thing can do for free right now. And the other thing that we can test it, let's say like if we want to create a new project, let's create a new thing, open location. Let me create a new project in here, like make dir test. Okay, and right now let's go and open this file, open folder, and let's go and open this test project. I will close this. Yes, trust the author of this. And right now all of these things are in here, and I don't know, let's go and ask him to create an clone of something. Let me open a website, and let's him please create a clone of YouTube, let's say, because I want to see the builder, how it's working. I didn't tell it in what to create it. You can also do that. React and Node.js is using for this. And again, this is just to test it, and you see that in here you can right now go and run all of these things, and it will use Vite with the template React to create this. And let me skip this. I mean, I'm just interested to see how this is working. And you see that it's installing and creating everything. And skip. Okay, I will just stop this because I want to ask him to create a blog in Astro. to see if it's knowing this, please create a blog that is model in Astro JS. So let's see if he's able to create this. I didn't tell it to optimize it for SEO, I didn't tell it to do anything, and let's go and see. So right now it started the terminal for me and it's starting doing things. So it's installing everything. Okay, I'll use the blog template for this. Install dependencies. Initialize, no, I don't want, because I'm just using this for tests to demonstrate you how this is working. Let me make something like this. Okay, so right now it's installing the dependencies and we'll need to wait for the dependencies to get installed. And let's see. Okay, so we have the details. Okay, run dev host. Okay, so this is just to start this. Okay, let me run it. Let me open this. So preview, already done this. Okay, so right now I'm telling this. So it did this for me, but it used the default things. Let's see if we can tell it, please make the design more modern. I'm just asking, you see here you have the files and everything. Okay, let's see how it's doing. So it's really nice when you are playing with these AIs. I mean, I am learning together with them, so that's why it's nice, because it will help you learn things and it will help you do things a lot faster. So yeah, it's interesting to see this new Trae editor IDE, and it's looking like, yeah, right now it's usable, and the thing is that it looks quite nice. I mean, I like a lot how they implemented these panels, and you have the differences between them, and yeah, it looks like it's quite nice. Okay, and right now I guess you will just apply the changes, because in Builder like this it will not ask you for anything, and in here see what it's changed. Accept all. Let me do this. Okay, so it just modified that file and it modifies some of the things in there. So you did some of the things. Okay, not a lot of things. I didn't request it something specific. Please add view transitions, let's say. And let's see. I guess he will be able to do that if he has like the details. I will let him work. I just want to see if he can implement this, because I needed to do all of this manually, and I did this for my blog. Okay. Okay, yeah, I see only one thing he changed. I don't know. Doesn't look to work. The view transitions. Okay, please add them in the blog list and also in the full post. to move nicer when opened. So right now, yeah, it should do the view transitions in blog list and in the blog, so it looks more nice. Okay, right now we have an error. Retry. Let's see. So it looks like the AI, it had like a communication. Let's retry this. AI, it's thinking. I guess in the future maybe they will go and throttle this, but right now it's working. Okay, it's reviewing all the pages and it's, I guess we'll try to do things. Okay, it's something like a Jane thing in here because it's okay. So you see in here that it's created a transition name with post ID, which is for the hero, which is nice. Then right now, I guess this should work when you are clicking the image. I think it only added it in there. Okay. I don't see the difference actually. Let me open this. I don't see any difference, but again, maybe this is not something simple to be done. And again, you can go and change some of the things, and in here we can check the blog index and it has the detail blog post. This one doesn't look to have the, okay, it has the transition name. Maybe something else needs to be added. And yeah, this is the Trae editor. I hope you enjoyed the video. Right now it's free and you can go and give it a try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.